I hope you all enjoyed the video. Our next speaker is Mr. Mohammad Naeem, the Deputy Manager at PMDC. Today he will walk us through the various trade potential and the health benefits of pink rock salt, perfectly aligning with the health and well-being theme of Expo 2025.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mohammad Naeem, representing Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation. I am thankful to Japan Association of 2025 for World Exposition, who give the opportunity to connect with the world. I will speak about the Pakistan's pink rock salt potential and its health benefits. Salt is as old as life itself. The salt is a mineral that shaped the civilizations. In ancient civilizations, salt was used as a medium of commodity trade, and the trade routes such as salt routes were specifically developed for the transportation of salt between the countries. Throughout the history, salt remained the part of traditions, culture, and religion. With deep spiritual values, salt was a symbol of purity, protection, and divine blessing. Salt is an essential element for human life, and the humans have used it for millions of years. In the early world, salt was used as a food and as a food preservator. And in the new modern world of technology, salt is just not limited to food and seasoning. Salt is the basic raw material of thousands of chemical industries. Salt is basic raw material of soda ash, textile, detergents, petrochemical, and thousands of industries in which salt is being used as raw material. Based on geological location and mineral composition of the salt have different grades. Pakistan pink rock salt is one of the best and purest rock salt. Pakistan is blessed with huge reserves of 25 billion tons, which is pure halite sodium chloride 95 to 98%. The remaining portion is not any impurity, but the large number of trace minerals which are essential need of human life. Pakistan pink salt is unique in color and rare due to its geological importance. Pakistan rock salt is present in salt range of Pakistan, which was formed due to tectonic collision between Indian and Eurasian plates. This collision deformed the north part of Indian plate and created a series of thrust, fold, and fault, including the salt range of Pakistan. Basically, this was a Himalayan geological activity. Therefore, the origin of pink salt is confused with Himalayan range. There is not even a single kg of rock salt in Himalayan range. All the pink rock salt is present in salt range of Pakistan. The salt range of Pakistan was part of sea, and due to tectonic collision and the climatic conditions, the seawater evaporated and the salt under the sea mixed with large number of microorganisms, enriching the pink salt of Pakistan with large number of trace minerals. The geological age of pink rock salt goes back to pre-Cambrian age over 600 million years ago. The salt range of Pakistan is located in Punjab province of Pakistan. It stretches between two main rivers over 300 kilometers, and it is saturated with the deposits of pink rock salt. Pakistan is mining out about 3 to 4 million metric ton rock salt every year as per demand-supply balance. Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation is a leading salt mining company of Government of Pakistan and operating 5 large-scale salt mining projects in Pakistan with 45% share in overall production of the country, and custodian of Kheoda salt mines, the second and largest and oldest salt mine in the world. Kheoda salt mines were discovered in 326 BC by the Alexander allies when they noticed their horses were licking the rocks. Salt being essential commodity, its operations were discovered in 326 BC by the Alexander allies when they noticed their horses were licking the rocks. Salt being essential commodity, its operations were always governed by the rulers of the state themselves. In Mughal and Sikh era, salt was traded in different regions of Asia. The scientific mining of Kheoda salt mine was started in 1872, and since 1947, Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation is operating Kheoda salt mines. With continuous production over centuries, Kheoda salt mine stands as second largest and oldest mine in the world. Keeping in view the dome structure and massive salt deposits, room and pillar mining method have been designed for development, production, and sustainable mining practices in Pakistan, and especially in Kheoda salt mine. Kheoda salt mine is a multi-level mine. It has 17 levels, and all levels are lying above each other. And the salt in Kheoda salt mine is excavated through the legacy miners. They are skilled in their profession and working in Kheoda salt mine from generation to generation. And their 7th generation is working in Kheoda salt mine. Due to mineralization under the sea in the earth crust, Pakistan pink rock salt have unique color and taste, and it is rich in different minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. And these minerals have perceived health benefits for human body. And this is how Pakistan pink salt is more beneficial for human health than ordinary table salt. You can see the mineral content of calcium, magnesium, iron, and potassium. These minerals are essential for human body, and the Pakistan's pink rock salt is enriched with these minerals. So the Pakistan pink salt is very closely linked with the Expo theme week of health and well-being of Japan Expo. As I described earlier, its mineralization was occurred under the sea, and it is enriched, pink rock salt is enriched with trace mineral, and it has many essential minerals that are useful for human life. Human life needs many elements which are very necessary for human life, and in case of deficiency of these elements, the human body may appear diseased, and even it may be life-threatening. The rich in mineral, pink salt provides these minerals to human body and fulfill the deficiency of these minerals. The presence of iron, zinc, magnesium support the immune functioning of human body, and it supports the oxygen transport in blood. The lower content of sodium in pink salt regulates the blood pressure of human body. The pink salt of Pakistan is naturally fortified by having 30 to 40 ppm iron. The hygroscopic properties of salt helps the body to absorb water, therefore it supports the electrolyte balance and it supports the hydration in the body. The salt is naturally exfoliate and its natural antibacterial properties are beneficial for human skin. The presence of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium maintain the healthy pH balance in human body. The salt supports the production of digestive enzymes, and therefore pink salt improves the digestion. The salt, when interacts with the light, it produces chloride ions. And this ionization property of pink rock salt improves the lungs health and beneficial against asthma patients and asthma diseases. The pink salt of Kheoda salt mine has proven to have therapeutic properties due to its ionization properties and antibacterial properties. Kheoda salt mine is in Kheoda salt mine, there is an allergical asthma resort in which the patients are treated without any medication. This is a therapy of 110 hours in which the patient stays inside the mine, and the thousands of patients have got successful treatment in Kheoda salt mine. The salt range of Pakistan is very closely related to history. It witnessed the rise and fall of many empires and civilizations. It witnessed thousands of years of historical events, religious ceremonies, marching armies, battles, interaction between communities, and the passage of ideas and people. And in tourism perspective, the salt range of Pakistan offers various places for visit, like Kheoda salt mine, a testament to the beauty of pink rock salt, the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Rohtas, the Buddhist stupas in Katas Raj temples, and there are many other forts and temples in religious ceremonies, marching armies, battles, interaction between communities, and the passage of ideas and people. And in tourism perspective, the salt range of Pakistan offers various places for visit, like Kheoda salt mine, a testament to the beauty of pink rock salt, the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Rohtas, the Buddhist stupas in Katas Raj temples, and there are many other forts and temples in salt range of Pakistan to visit. These are the some illuminations showcasing the beauty of pink rock salt in Kheoda salt mines. So with huge potential and huge reserves of pink rock salt, Pakistan has a huge potential to contribute in global salt trade of $12 billion, because Pakistan have huge reserves and they are continuous and massive reserves, and the Pakistan salt has competitive edge due to its quality, uniqueness, and color. And Pakistan is now involved in value addition and providing best salt to the world. In future, the origin of salt, in past, the origin of salt was confused with Himalayan ranges. but the salt range is purely product of Pakistan, and pink salt is tagged as geographical indication of Pakistan. Pink salt is product of Pakistan. So through value addition, Pakistan is offering different products in the world. Our edible pink rock salt have wide range of products that are used in food and in food industries that not only elevate the taste of your food, but provide a balanced diet by providing essential minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being in the human body, and very, very closely related to the theme of this expo. Our salt bricks, when used in the room interior, they have the environmental therapeutical properties. They release the ions and which are used in sphalotherapy. The use of our salt cooking tiles enhance the organic taste of your food, and the salt lamps in the room purify the air and increase the sense of relaxation and improve the energy level, internal energy level of human body. So through the grains of salt, we want to connect with the world for serving, empowering, and connecting lives, and for designing a future society for all of us. So through grains of salt, we provide many opportunities in salt business, from salt mining to chemical processing industries, from value addition to salt export. So through grains of salt, connect with us, and for more information, please visit our website www.pmdc.gov.pk. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful presentation. Now we open the floor for the question and answer session. If you have any questions, kindly raise your hand and wait for the microphone. And you feel free to ask the questions in Japanese because our interpreter is available to facilitate you.